Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome again. Look at what I have here in the studio. This is a portable grill. Guys, this is going to allow us to go camping, backyard parties, whatever the case it may be, even in the house, if you are so bold. But yes, this is a grill that we're going to take a look at. Now, this was sent out to me to review. So we're going to take this guy over into the kitchen and I'll show you guys exactly all of the accessories that come with it and how I plan on using it this spring and this summer. Y'all ready? Yeah. All right, guys, we're over in the kitchen. Let's take a look at everything that came in the box. Obviously, you guys have already seen the grill, but we'll get back to that. Now, you're going to also receive pots and pans and other accessories. One of the things you also get is this nice little net bag that you're going to use to store all of your pots and pans in. Little drawstring on this guy, that's really nice. Inside, you'll also find bowls, lids. So let me pull all of these things out for you. You get a cleaning sponge. You get this little spoon that you can use for scooping. That's really nice. You're going to receive a few of these bowls. Looks like we get about 3 of these bowls right here. That's nice as well. And we get a kettle. So let's take a look at this kettle here. So this kettle is going to be great for boiling water, things like that. And the lid just goes right on top here. Let's go ahead and take a look at this lid as well. Now these are all metal, but they do have a little bit of plastic like here on the lid and also on this little handle, but that just fits inside perfectly just like that. And we have our other pots and pans. Now what's nice about the pots and pans, they do have the handles integrated. So you can just flip these guys out like so. And when you're cooking with these, you don't have to worry about burning yourself. You can just grab those little handles. I know a lot of you guys have been camping. You know what I'm talking about. All right, so we got that. So this skillet is basically the same type of design. It has the integrated handles, as you guys can see here. So again, really nice design. Now this is a light, thin metal, but it is very strong. So I think this is going to do a really good job for cooking. And like I said, with the lids, you can use the same lid on the skillet as you can use on the pot, as you guys see that. So you could use the same lid. That's really nice. And then of course you get some other bowls. So I can pop this guy out here. And you get 2 more bowls. One is more like a plate. The other one is more like a bowl. But you get all of that kind of Tupperware-ish style components that come with the kit. I like that. Now let's get to setting this guy up. So first things first, you do have some options when it comes to fuel. You have the option of using butane or propane. You get a adapter for each one of those. It just depends on which fuel you have. And you're also going to receive this as well for grilling. So that's really nice. You get a grill in this kit as well. Man, they thought of pretty much everything. But it doesn't stop there, because other than the starter manual that you're going to receive, that'll help you walk through all of the different features. Not only that, but you also get a nice travel bag. And this bag, guys, is going to allow you to put all of your accessories, your fuel, everything inside of this bag. You have 2 big pockets on either side for depending on the fuel that you want to go with. Let's take a quick look inside of the bag. So as you guys can look in here, you can see there's a lot of space inside of this bag. And you even have a space right here if you want to put your grill inside there, just to keep it separate from everything else. This is going to pack up really nicely. So I am a big fan of this. All right, so let's get this guy set up. All right, so to open this guy up, you're just going to unclip this little clip that you see right here. Just going to pull that down. And then you can open this up. But before we get too far, I want you guys to see that these feet on here are metal. They're not plastic. Now, this is a 20,000 BTU system. You get 10,000 per burner. And you also get your little grates. You guys see that? So you have 2 of those. And they're just going to fit in like so. And there's number 2. Now, when you're ready to travel and pack everything up again, what you want to do is after cleaning everything, you can just flip these guys over like so. And then this will still close up, so that won't be a problem. All right, so as far as connecting for fuel, you're going to have this little piece right here. This is going to plug in right here. You're just going to plug that guy in, just push it in. And you're going to screw it in. You just want to make sure that it's very tight and it's not leaking in any kind of way. And then you're going to attach this to whichever fuel that you're going to be using. So like I said before, if you're using butane or propane, you have an adapter for that. And the way that works is these two just marry together. And then you can switch out to whichever fuel that you're using. You also have a control little spout right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. Everything that comes in this little kit. I think for camping, you know, weekend cookouts in the backyard, you know, for small groups, I think this is going to be nice. So you have your 2 controller knobs right here. You have your igniters right here on the side. That's going to, you know, start your flame. So everything you need, guys, came in one box that's going to also travel with you in one bag. All right, so at the end of this video, you'll probably see some examples of me cooking a few things using this, but you guys see how easy it was to set up. All right, guys, so hopefully you'll enjoy the rest of the video, and this video has been helpful, if not entertaining. It's been your boy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.